Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Hunter Industries WVL wireless valve link and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this WVL is not working or not connecting, or if it's not syncing to your device or anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you're setting this up as a new device somewhere, you can just do a hard reset and get a fresh start like it's coming out of the box. So this is going to reset the station assignment, site ID, channel ID, all that kind of good stuff. So what you want to do is you want to remove both of the batteries from the unit, and then you're going to, on the front of it, you're going to press and hold the right assignment button. And you're just going to continue to hold that button as you insert one of the batteries back in as shown here, and just continue to hold that assignment button for at least 5 seconds until both of the LED lights turn red. As soon as they turn red, you want to release the assignment button immediately and the WVL will completely reset. So if it is successful, then both of the LEDs will turn green for a second and then turn off, and that will indicate that the reset has been successful. If not, the LEDs will blink in red, which means you need to try it again. But if it blinks green, you can go ahead and set it up as a new device.